Good afternoon. It's here with you, transparenttrainsolutions.com on a Friday, 25 April. Let's get right into the charts. We're at the top end of the trading range in the S&P and the NASDAQ, with technology leading today. Overall, the market is pretty much, today was just consolidation out of that massive rally from, the week coming off. It's really interesting because Monday, it was like the sky is falling, and here we are, 4 days later, and now we're like everybody's turning bullish already all of a sudden, right? So it's, but bottom line is this: we are basically at the top end of a trading range until further developments here. And this is what I mean. We're basically trying to fill that gap. Algos are coming in at the end of the day. Probably, there's a lot of kind of options and stuff, but we're sitting right at the kind of this where we broke down from. You can see right there is where we essentially broke down from right along here. Remember, we kept bouncing around. If you go to the shorter time frame here, you can see we kept bouncing around here, all that right over here, and then then we broke after the tariffs. I think the Liberation Day. So notice right here, we take that line across there, kind of hung on there a couple times here. You can see that, and then finally broke. So that's why it becomes a kind of a critical area here, whether we continue. These are algos kicking in at the end of the day here, at the very end of the day, trying to rally this thing beyond that high. So, but similar technology today, it was a mixed bag under the surface. Tesla had a big rally and so forth. So technology looks like that's moving higher. More or less everything else not moving a whole lot. The VIX is sitting at 25. The interest rates are hanging around the 425 support right there. So you can see that there. Dollar still can't get above 100. Until it gets above 100, it's still going to be in a consolidation. Nat gas may be bottoming here. That was kind of an interesting situation at the end of the yesterday. We kind of hit 3 MBTU. We'll see how that goes. But other than that, big week to the upside, whether it continues. Sentiment is starting to get a little bit overdone to the upside, by the way. So, very schizophrenic market right now. But and is the question obviously are we at a bottom here? It's starting to feel like that, but I still don't think we're out of the woods yet. I think we do have still a little bit more room to the upside here, especially if some of these mega caps report good earnings next week. We got Microsoft and whatever, but I would still be a little cautious and wait for some strong pullbacks to be adding, as we've been doing here in our group here. So, okay, all right, have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week. Take care.